I'm going to sleep. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. This is Freez, all over from north. Hopefully you are all doing well. Everything is good. But here, now I am in the top of my own village. My village is Hashupi village, and I just today want to go up over the mountainside. Over there on the top. How long I can go, I just wish to go because it's a winter time and a bit of danger. Wild animals also, snow leopard like. So I not go much more deeper, but I go for miles. Now it's cloudy and you can see everything is freeze. Now I start walking. Maybe after 1 hour I will reach where I just wish to stay for tonight. Hopefully after a few months, maybe near July, August, I'm going for camping on K2, and a lot of guests from other part of the world going to be with me. We will going to have a lot of fun, a lot of adventure. The season is off now for K2, so that's why I'm doing camping near the mountains of my village. So you all guys who are watching me, thanks for watching. Make a plan, come for trekking to K2 and the other part of Pakistan. Any visiting point you want to visit, you can come with us, and I'm going to put my email in the description box for your trip plans. This is the condition right now with the clothes. Look at that. Freeze. This is the water channel coming from the glacier of our village, Hashupi. I can show you something. Over there, you can saw a pipeline coming down in this house. This is powerhouse where the whole district getting the electricity. I will show you. It's too noisy how it's working. This is hydropower. This is the new one, you know, the older one is over. I will show you that also, but that is closed now. So this one is the old power station of the village. You can check, that is 1986 100 kVA hydro station, Hashupi. Now I start hiking towards the mountain of my village. So now I can show you the height. This is more than 2000 feet. If something happens, so life is not going to give you a second chance. So now the mountain of the village start. Where I reach a Freez waterfall. This is the perfect place where I can stay for tonight. Let's check where I can build my camp. This is good. So this is a Freez waterfall. Here I'm going to build my camp for tonight. Let's start it. Dangerous. This is my camp for tonight. Now I just want to, so I can set easily. So everything is set, and tonight is the best day of my life. This is same work like as a thermal for me, so I will be secure from the cold at night time. Now we have to go down and search some woods to make fire. Oops. I done with everything. I have woods. Just my jacket is over. I'm going to get that. From here you can see the scene of Freez Waterfall. This is ice. I just want to make fire on this one. And this one's my jacket. Now it's time to make fire. Today for dinner, this is salt, these are eggs, this is chicken. Tonight for dinner, I am going to have a barbecue party. So enjoy with me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am going to put these chicken pieces here. This is salt. Not really easy to make fire. And I have oil also. Our food is ready now. Delicious food, really. I really enjoy my food. It was delicious. Now I just want to cook 2 eggs in the local way. I don't want to cook the other one. I just want to let that for in the morning time. To put these 2 eggs inside this juice packet. Now just let it here at least for more than 10 minutes. I will have to wait for more than 10 minutes. So now I just want to take some rest until the egg is done. It's 5, so soon going to be dark. Let's check the temperature right now. Look at that, -6. And now I am here from inside my tent. You will see this view of Freez Waterfall. So it's -6. It's going to be a wonderful night for me. And this is the scene from my tent. Karakuru mountains all over. I built a wall with these stones. Hopefully this will not going to sleep at night time. I'm pretty sure not. You know, this side going to make myself cooler, but my sleeping bag, good sleeping bag. Let's take rest for at least until the egg is done. It's done, I think. Eggs are done now. Hot. It's going to help me for making myself warm. I done my food, everything was perfect. Oh, it's getting dark. I want to put my light on. Okay. Hopefully you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye for now. I'm going to sleep.